Tomodachi Life save data corrupted fix. Error. Tomodachi Life save data corrupted, save file not loading. Step 1. Restart the Nintendo 3DS. Turn off the console completely. Wait for a few seconds. Restart the Nintendo 3DS properly. Try loading the save again. Step 2. Remove and reinsert the game cartridge. Power off the console first. Remove the Tomodachi Life cartridge carefully. Reinsert it firmly into the slot. Launch the game again. Step 3. Check the SD card. Open the SD card slot carefully. Remove and clean the SD card gently. Insert it back properly. Damaged SD cards can corrupt save data. Step 4. Free up storage space. Open system settings. Check remaining SD card storage. Delete unnecessary screenshots or files. Low storage may affect save files. Hatter Step 5. Disable cheats or edited saves. Turn off cheat plugins or custom firmware tools. Avoid modified save files temporarily. Use the original game save only. Edited saves can become corrupted easily. Hatter Step 6. Update Nintendo 3DS software. Open system settings. Check for system updates. Install the latest firmware version. Restart the console afterward. Step 7. Backup important save files. Copy important files from the SD card. Store them safely on a computer. Prevent complete data loss. Test the game again after backup. Step 8. Delete corrupted extra data. Open data management settings. Find Tomodachi Life extra data. Remove corrupted additional files. Restart the game afterward. Step 9. Reinstall digital version. Delete the game if it's digital. Download Tomodachi Life again. Install fresh game files. Launch the game after installation. Step 10. Factory reset as last option. Backup saves before resetting. Open Nintendo 3DS system settings. Perform a full factory reset carefully. Reinstall updates and test the game again.